Welcome to part 3 of this series on questions of pediatric cataract surgery.
Will my child need stitches during surgery?
Actually, yes. The reason being our child's eye is not as well formed as the adult's eye. So, though we do a laser surgery to remove the cataract, the child's eye invariably requires a stitch to ensure that the contents of the eye do not come out because the sclera, which is a white part, has very less elasticity. So though a laser surgery is done, the child may have a stitch which is generally absorbable or occasionally may need to have or occasionally we may need to remove it, but it is in the best interest of the child.
How safe is anesthesia that will be given during surgery?
It is very safe. Pediatric cataract surgery is done under general anesthesia. The surgery per se doesn't take very long. With the advanced surgical techniques and the pediatric anesthetist backup, we are very confident of the anesthesia outcomes during the surgery.
Can you explain the complications that could arise after cataract surgery?
Right. So what we need to remember is no surgery is derived of their risks. Every procedure has its risks and benefits. Okay. So we always have to weigh these risks and benefits to actually take a bold decision. So if I have to really name the risks that can happen after surgery, the list is very long. But I'm not going to scare you by telling or noting down all the possible complications. But the common things that can happen, as I said earlier, is intense inflammation, which can cause formation of the membranes. Sometimes the pressures of the eye can really rise up, and this risk is a lifelong risk. That is why whenever a child has undergone a cataract surgery, the eye pressures need to be monitored on a long-term basis. Many a times these children have shaky eyeballs called nystagmus, or they may have some misaligned visual axis called squint. So all of these things gradually need to be managed over a period of time to have the best visual outcomes. So I would not say that these are actual complications of the surgery, but this is a part of the entire spectrum that these kids with congenital or very early onset cataracts do tend to have.